Hello, today I'm going to share with you how I split my kindling for my fire. So I've got this old wire basket and I've cut out the middle section there to make a bigger hole in the middle, and inside that hole I stand up the wood that I want to split for my kindling. I always wear a face mask when I'm doing anything with wood and an axe, just in case the wood gets flipped up and hits me in the face, so it makes it just a little bit safer. I've got my little axe there that I'm going to use to split the wood, and then I just stand up that piece of wood inside the metal basket, and that allows my hands to be well away from that piece of wood. They don't need to be holding the wood to keep it upright, and then I can swing the axe down a couple of taps, and then I've made the first split in that piece of wood. I stand it up again inside the metal basket, keeping my hands and fingers well away, and bang, there we go with the axe, and I've made the second split, and that made some nice kindling there for my fire. Stand up the next piece, bang with the axe, and there we go again. I've split another nice bit of kindling off, and one final time, bang, and there we go. I've made 5 nice bits of kindling for my fire, and it's a little bit of a safer option because I've kept my hands and fingers well away from the wood and well away from the swinging axe. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye for now.